Hey, you got games on your phone? Hey man, welcome to House of Cramel Vlogmas. Alright, now I know in the past I've come on here and I made some easy recipes, but today I felt like cooking. And I mean I'm finna cook today. Alright, I am making a, drum roll please, all that. Hold yourselves, please. I know you can't wait. I know. I am making a loaded seafood baked potato today. We're gonna eat it with some green beans, pesto green beans, and I just felt like cooking today. This weekend we're supposed to go to a restaurant. We already celebrated Cramel's birthday earlier in the week. I was going to take her out, but then she didn't really feel like going. So, in lieu of that, hey, I'm just going to make this. But it's going to be so good. I have made this before. Well, I've never made the baked potato before. But the sauce that I'm making, I've made it a bunch of times in the past. Absolutely great. It's a creamy Cajun sauce. Crab meat. It's got jumbo shrimp in there. A lot of little razzle-dazzle. So look, without further ado, before we get into it, gotta take care of business first. Y'all know what I'm finna say. Hit the button, man. Hit the button, man. I don't know what you're waiting on. Subscribe, man. Hit the button, man. It's free. It's free. We cool, man. And we take showers, man. What you waiting on, man? So look, hit the button, subscribe, like, comment, follow, all that good stuff. All that. Now that's out the way. Let's cook, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it. we are eating now, and I must say, it's pretty good. Not just because I cooked it, but I think it's really good.
Yeah, he's showing out.
It's good. It came out good.
Showing out. This is better than any restaurant he could have took me to today. All of them. Yay, Boo Bam.
Basically, I cooked the potatoes in the air fryer, and it came out great. And the sauce comes together pretty easily. We got crab and shrimp, bacon in there, a lot of good stuff. And
all on there.
Some fresh lemon juice. Oh yeah, just go down like this.
Let some of this go after the New Year. We'll come back to cheap days. Cheap meals, my bad. Not days.
We'll earn our cheap meals. Well, you want that?
I should put some of that sauce on your mac and
So y'all can see, I didn't like it at all. Not at all. Not even close. What about you, baby? Not even.
I'm taking my time.
Yeah,
Savoring the moment.
Is that bad?
That bad.
My